Hi everyone. Today we are discussing intermediate Maths 2B. In the Maths 2B differential equation topic we are discussing. Already previous classes I gave the definitions of the differential equation and partial differential equation and ordinary differential equation. Today we are learning that order of ordinary differential equation. Order of ordinary differential equation. Definition: the highest order derivative, occurring in the ordinary differential equation, it is called a order of ordinary differential equation. The highest order derivative occurring in the ordinary differential equation, it is called a order of ordinary differential equation. Here the important line is that highest order derivative occurring. Example: d cube y by dx cube plus d square y by dx square is equals to y. In this order, in these cases, the most time derivatives here 3. So order is equals to 3. Order is equals to here 3. Next, second one, d square y by dx square plus dz by dx is equals to e to the power of z. Order equals to 2. Why I am writing order equals to 2 means here dz by dx, here d square y by dx square. I mean that most time order is here appear. So here the order equals to 2. Third one, x y double dash plus x y triple dash is equals to sin x. Here the order equals to 3. So how it is the order equals to 3 means? So we have to write y dash in terms of dy by dx. Y dash equals to dy by dx. Y double dash equals to d square y by dx square. Y triple dash equals to d cube y by dx cube. Y cube equals to y triple dash equals to d cube y by dx cube. Like this we are writing. So it is the order of ordinary differential equation. Similarly, we are writing order of ODE in shortcut form. Next, degree of ordinary differential equation. See here, the highest exponent of a highest order derivative occurring in the ordinary differential equation. The highest exponent of a highest derivative occurring in the ordinary differential equation. After making in free from radical comma fractional and transcendental function. Radical comma fractional and transcendental function. See here, in the we already discussed about the order of ordinary differential equation, the degree of ordinary differential equation depending on this topic. So see here, first example here, d square y by dx square plus d cube y by dx cube whole to the power 100 plus y equals to 0. d square y by dx square plus d cube y by dx cube whole to the power of 100 plus y equals to 0. Here, degree of ordinary differential equation. So what we are writing definition? The highest exponent of a derivative occurring in this solution, highest order derivative exponent. Here 2 is the highest. Here in this term 2 is the derivative. In this 3. Compared with 2 and 3, 3 is the highest. Order 3 exponent is 100. Order 3 exponent is 100. So here degree of differential equation nothing but here 100. Degree of differential equation nothing but here 100. Coming to the second one, d cube y by dx cube plus d square y by dx square whole to the power of 100 plus 3y. d cube y by dx cube plus d square y by dx square whole to the power of 100 plus 3y is equals to 0. Here the most times decrease, derivative is occurring here 3, here 2. So this whole power is nothing there now, we can write like this 1. So here degree of ordinary differential equals to 1. Degree of ordinary differential equals to 1. How? Because here 3 is most time of the 2. That's why degree of ordinary differential equation equals to 1. Coming to the third example, dy by dx whole to the power of 1 by 2 plus d square y by dx square whole to the power of 1 by 3 again whole to the power of 1 by 4 is equals to 0. Already we are telling that in the after making in free from radical nothing but roots, radical nothing but in terms of roots, fraction nothing but like this p by q forms, and transcendental nothing but inverse, transcendental nothing but in the terms of inverse like function. So we are free from radical fractional. So here we observe here 1 by 2 is the fractional, 1 by 3 is also fractional, 1 by 4 is also fractional. So that's why I am this fraction erasing like this. So raising power 4. This is raising power 4. See here dy by dx whole to the power of 1 by 2 plus d square y by dx square whole to the power of 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 4 again whole to the power of 4. So 4 cancelled. So we get it dy by dx whole to the power of 1 by 2 plus d square y by dx square whole to the power of 1 by 3 is equals to 0. Now again I am raising here power 6. Again I am raising here power 6 for 2 terms. For 2 terms. These 2 terms again I am raising the power 6. Why I am taking only 6 means these 2 2 table 3 table 6 is the cancellation. So see here dy by dx whole to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of 6 plus d square y by dx square whole to the power of 1 by 3 again whole to the power of 6. See here 2 table 2 ones are 2 threes are, here 3 table 3 ones are 3 twos are. After these steps dy by dx whole to the power of 3 plus d square y by dx square whole to the power of 2 is equals to 0. Now I am writing here degree. Now I am writing this equation for the degree. So our degree how can we writing? Degree is nothing but here most time occurring in the ordinary differential derivative. So dy by dx, here only the derivative one time. Here d square y by dx square, here the derivative is 2 times. So I take this term and this term exponent is 2. This term exponent is 2. So here degree of ordinary differential equation equals to 2. Degree of ordinary differential equals to 2. Thank you for watching this video. If you can have any doubts, please comment section. Thank you.